Okay, we want to give you an overview of the problems that we've had. We downloaded the program you sent us, the MoshiDraw 9.8. It tried to load in the Windows 7, but at the end we come up with errors. We still see the devices in the device manager. We can see it under our control panel, but it's still not listed as printers. So I think we'll go through and show you exactly what it's showing us. So let's start with the installation of the 9.8 MoshiDraw. And we start out here. We unzipped it with WinZip. Okay, so now we're going into the program. We go English. We agree. Load it on C drive. Okay, it says install complete. And then I click OK. And it comes up MoshiDraw or MoshiDrive.exe has stopped working. Check online for a solution and close the program. If we go into this, it looks but has yet to find anything that helps. We go to the background, there's nothing there, and then it comes up with this.
What does it say?
It says if this program did not install correctly, try reinstalling using settings that are compatible with the version of Windows. Unknown program, unknown publisher, blah blah blah. And then it says reinstall using recommended settings.
Were we supposed to have the thumb
Okay, so
drive in?
Let's try it this time. We'll go with the MicroDog thumb drive in. We've tried it both ways. It's installing device driver software. And it does come up MicroDog USB device. So it did find the driver for it. So we go back into our WinZip. Go back to the application. Yes. Agree. And it is the MoshiDraw 9.8. This is the one we got offline that you sent us. And still it says install complete, and you click OK. And it still says MoshiDrive.exe has stopped working. Same thing we came up with last time. Check for online solutions, and it still doesn't find anything. If we go out of this, and it has the same box comes back up again. this program might not have installed correctly. And then if you click program installed correctly, it closes it out. But if you go into MoshiDraw, it still is a 9.7 version of it, or it didn't upload it. If we go here into programs and MoshiSoft, it still comes up. I don't see what it's rating it in here. But that's what we have in our properties. So the program file that you sent us is not loading for some reason. It's not finishing it off. It still comes up 9.7. If we go into the control panel, I haven't got the printer plugged in yet. But that's what I view. And as soon as we turn the printer on, we've got the USB cord hooked up. We've got everything plugged in. We turn this on here. Here, let them see this headset. We turn it on here.
Doesn't that have to be plugged into the computer?
No, it should turn on. Oh, it's this one. Let's set the head. And then, if we plug the USB in, we've got the MoshiDraw on and up. What show them that it sets that head when I plug this in. We plug this into the computer. Here, I guess you can show the drivers. Oh, it didn't show it. And it didn't set the head. Then we go into the control panel. It shows it as an unspecified device right here that wasn't there the last time. But it shows nothing under printers and faxes. Therefore, when we go to MoshiDraw to pull up printers, it doesn't bring anything up. It doesn't read any printers.
You want to read that?
It says DSM error at TW select DS select default. Source manager unable to find the specific source or specified source. And if we go into the device manager here, oh, it shows the micro dog here. And I thought it was under network adapters. Imaging devices. Well, it shows it under interface. USB EPP 12C CH341A.
Driver details.
That's the drivers it's showing us. And that's pretty much all it gives us on it.
So as you can see, we have the right software, Windows 7. Thank you for all your help. You can see the machine is in good condition. We have it in a beautiful environment, and got a knowledgeable person working on it. That's Jeff, that's been our technician on this end. So he's installed the software several times, uninstalled it, got the update from online, and then you sent us the new drivers. But bottom line is, the machine sets, the headsets, but bottom line, it just does not recognize the laser printer as a printer, allowing it to print what we ask it to. It's just not coming up as a device, a printing device. So we don't know what could be wrong. We hope it's nothing internally, but please help us in this. Thanks.